Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jose, and today I will be reviewing 3D printer filament from 3dmax.com. There it is. Let's take it inside, unbox it, and start a review on it. Alright guys, so we are back inside. As you can see, here is the box that 3D Max sent the filament in. I purchased 10 different colors of PLA plus filament. I got a pretty good sale on a 3D printer about a month and a half ago or so, and I figured why not jump into the 3D printing world as well and see what I can do with it. It's been a very good learning experience. There's a lot more to it than what I thought, but I'm up for the challenge. And I've tried a few different brands from different online retailers, and I came across 3D Max, and I figured, why not? So with that being said, let's open it up and see what's all inside. So 3D Max, they are a made in the USA company. They are out of Florida. So that's good if you're only wanting to purchase made in the USA products. 3D Max is a good source to go to for your filament needs. Let's go ahead and open them up so we can look at the colors themselves. There is the pink. It has a little bit more of a red tone, but I'm sure once it gets processed through the printer, you will notice more of the actual pink color. Just leave them out for you guys to see. This one is orange. Hopefully the camera is picking up the color for you guys to see. Next up is apple green. There is the apple green. Might be better to see if at this angle. Here's the orange as well. And the pink. Next, army green. Nice dark green. Chocolate. Mystic purple. Night gray. Space gray. Fluorescent yellow. I'm actually pretty excited to try this one out and see how things come out. And last but not least, light blue. There are the 10 colors of PLA plus filament that I purchased from 3D Max. I will go ahead and start making some prints with these, and I will come back in a few days and do a review on it and have some samples to show you guys. So with that being said, that is all I have for today, and I will see you guys next time.